Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install Lubuntu 25.04 server using VirtualBox, Oracle VM VirtualBox Lubuntu 25. Type Linux, subtype Ubuntu, automatic detect, Lubuntu automatic detect. Now mark folder, server folder name LUBN, ISO. I am already download this Lubuntu 25.04 desktop version. Unattended installation. RAM 2 GB, disk 25 GB. Click finish and now open settings, going to network and then attach to bridge adapter, then click OK and then start this VM, powering VM up. Yes, now coming Lubuntu, hit enter for installation process. This is select your language, automatic detect, United States, internet connection connected. Now click install Lubuntu. American English, click next. Asia Dhaka automatic detect. System language will be number, date, location will be Bangladesh. Okay. US English, keyboard. Okay. Select minimal installation. Erase disk. This is my disk. Erase disk. Then click next. What is your name? Type tech. Login name tech. Computer name UBN. LUBN Lubuntu. This is root tech password. Login automatically without asking for the password. Okay, then click next. All summary show, then click install then click install now. Creating, setting boot, mounting partition. I see all is successfully working fine. We hope you enjoy using Lubuntu. The installation process should finish soon. %77 installation done. Installation done, all done. Lubuntu has been installed on your computer. You may now restart on your new system or continue using Lubuntu live environment. First, I can remove my ISO image, then restart now. Click done. Now restart my Lubuntu 25 desktop version. I see some error for starting, so now click machine, then reset my server. Yes, now I see Lubuntu is loading. Yes, automatically login. Successfully installation done. Now open terminal. Release option A. Now I check version. This is Ubuntu 25.04. Code name. This is a Lubuntu manual. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.